What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Haley. Today I kind of wanted to go for more of like a bronzy everyday type of look. I do use natural light, so if the lighting does kind of darken, brighten, you know, it's because I go off the natural light. So to start off, I have not moisturized my face today, and I've been loving this. I'm gonna put this in an empties video, I think. It's the Garnier Skin Active Moisture Rescue, and this is for normal, the combo skin. So I'm gonna take just a little bit, put it on my face. This especially helps during the summer. It's so nice, cool, and refreshing. Get it all over your dry areas. But after that, I'm just gonna use my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. And again, this is the Nicole Concealio collab. I'm just gonna spritz. Okay, I'm gonna let that dry a little bit. And I'm gonna start off with eyebrows. I go in with the Anastasia Dip Brow in Caramel. And then we're going to clean them up with concealer.
This is a journey into sound. A journey which along the way will bring to you magic.
So the palette that we're gonna go in with is my Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. So I'm going to take a SL Miss Glam blending brush, and I'm going to take the shade Amber, and it's this nice musky red tone right there. I'm just gonna use a little bit, and I'm gonna blend it out very finely throughout the crease. Smaller blending brush, and that's going to be wherever it is. This is the Morphe 330. I am going to go in with the shade Duo, and it's this dark brown right here. And I'm going to use it to deepen the outer crease. Shade, and I always like to use my fingers for this because I feel like you get the best pigmentation, first of all. Second of all, you don't have the issue with fallout. And third of all, because fingers just kind of work the best with duochromes, shimmer shades, you know, foiled shades. They just kind of do the best with that. And I'm just going to take it on the finger. It's more golden, coppery, more golden than copper. And I'm just going to pack that on. And then I'm just gonna lightly tap. We're gonna do eyeliner. Okay, so I'm going to use the Ardell Wispy Demi Wispies. I'm going to try my Tarte Shape Tape foundation again, and this is in Light Sand. I'm going to take my actual Shape Tape concealer.
This is a journey into sound. A journey which along the way will bring to you magic.
So now for contour, we are going to use my Tartiest Pro Glow palette. Oh, I'm going to go in with that contour, that shade down at the bottom, and it's sculpted. I've been trying out this Smashbox Spotlight palette, and I'm going to take my, what is it? My e.l.f. Tulip brush, and I really love this one for highlight, and I'm going to go in with this more darker shade. I feel like, let's see, the amount of fallout, do you guys see that? You guys can see it on the pan itself is incredible, like it's awful. So I'm gonna go in the cheeks. I mean, it's subtle. It's nothing like to wow me by. I'm gonna try and go for something else. Now, one highlight for the drugstore that I really love is the Wet n Wild, and this one is in Precious Petals. And I'm just gonna pop it on my cheeks. But yeah, that's the end of this bronzy look. I really hope you guys enjoy it. This is more of an everyday look for me. So yeah, if you guys enjoy it, definitely subscribe, like, comment down below. Again, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on the flip side.